everybody, and welcome back to Spark of Vintage. My name is Cindy. I am the owner and head treasure hunter here at Spark of Vintage, and we're so delighted that you're with us today. Well, today is day 2 of our Crafty Christmas Countdown Challenge. I am doing 25 days in a row this month, creating my own in-house advent calendar using items that are from all over my crafting space that I might have ignored or haven't used or maybe haven't opened yet. So it's time to get in there, look at what we've already have, shop our stash, and have a lot of fun. So today I was so surprised to come across this gorgeous Simple Stories card kit in the package. Oh, I just dropped all the items out, showing it to you. But these come pre-packaged, pre-made. The kits include chipboard pieces, die-cut bits and pieces, card bases, and step-by-step instructions. So if you're looking to save a little time while you're making your Christmas cards, it is December 2nd, so maybe you're a little behind the ball. These are great kits to get. I purchased mine at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo back in March of last year, and it made it to my craft room, but I never put them together. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what's in the kit and show you some of my finished products at the end of the video. I'm trying to keep these down to just a few minutes each, so I hope you'll stick around and see what we make. These Simple Story Simply card kits have everything you need, including the instructions on how to put together each individual card. These are just suggestions. You can create them and lay them out however you like, or you can add your own ephemera and embellishments as well. It comes with beautiful little chipboard pieces, as well as all the backgrounds that you need to make each one of the cards, including extras. I had quite a bit left over, so I could make more cards outside of just what we had in the kit. There's sheets with everything's punched out. You don't even really need to cut anything out. It's all punch outs, and it comes with guides for everything that you need in order to complete each one of the cards. My kit made 8 cards, and I'll show you those in just a moment. But like I said, had plenty of more to make additional cards on my own. Well, speeding ahead in a card making time warp, these are the 8 cards that I made with the Simply Stories card kit. I love all of these kitschy Christmas ephemeras and these really beautiful backgrounds that come with the kit. As you can see, I added some of my own embellishments on some of the cards. I used foam stickers, 2-sided foam, in order to raise up some of the chipboard images. I also used my stickles. If you watch my other videos, you know how much I love a good bottle of Stickles glitter glue. And then also use some glossy accents from Ranger to give some of the ephemera pieces a little bit of that kind of glossy glow on the cards. As I said before, there are plenty of leftover pieces, so I was able to add them to my own collection. The only thing that doesn't come with the kit are envelopes, but all of us have a little extra A2 envelope sitting around somewhere. So in all, it was a beautiful kit that came with everything I needed. Thank you for watching day 2 of our Crafty Christmas Countdown, and we'll see you again tomorrow for day 3.